Hello, everyone. Welcome to another assessment for CAA Aspiring Certified Associate Acupuncturist. We are now on our final assessment for TCM Foundations. This is extraordinary Fu organs or the extraordinary Fu. No? Okay, let's call on Ma'am Susan, 1 to 20.
Yes, Doc.
Okay. What are the six extraordinary Fu organs?
At the six extraordinary four organs are brain, marrow, bones, blood vessel, gallbladder, and uterus.
Very good. Okay, how are they similar or how are they like the Zangfu organs? Or what makes them uh what makes them look like the Zangfu?
Sa extraordinary, Doc, yung brain, sa po naman, nag-store siya ng marrow, nourish the mind and the senses. Like the marrow naman, sa sang naman po siya ay nourish ang bone and brain. Sa bone naman po, nag-i-store ang marrow ng provide structural support.
Mm.
And then yung gallbladder store bile and refined substances, while the uterus, nag-store naman siya and nourish the fetus.
Wow, very good. Well,
Ano na kung tama ko? Okay.
congratulations po. Kompletong-kompleto. Where is the brain
Thank
located?
you. The brain is located inside the skull with total protection and support for the vital organ.
Okay. Um, what forms the brain?
Uh, it's specifically turned within the cranium, bone structure that firm and top in the back of the skull.
Okay, in
Tama
TCM,
ba to?
the brain is formed by the marrow, no? Kaya ang tawag sa brain, sea of marrow. Yon. So again, the brain is formed by the marrow, no? Alam naman natin na sa TCM, meron tayong brain marrow, bone marrow, at saka spinal cord, no? So the brain is formed by the marrow. That's why it is called the sea of marrow. What does the brain depend on?
The brain depends on first the kidney essence. It's nourished by kidney essence, which are vital substance produced by the kidney, responsible for growth.
Okay, so for those people na may brain abnormalities, we blame it on a very weak kidney essence, di ba? Oo. So because of the kidney essence, we are able to form the marrow para to form the brain, to fill the brain. Okay? Ganun lang po. So the brain actually depends on the kidney essence, and the kidney essence kasi it produces the marrow, and the marrow fills the brain. That's why the brain is called the sea of marrow. In the clinic, how do you treat the brain?
I don't know, Doc, tama ako in the clinic, addressing the root cause like the kidney deficiency. The kidneys are considered the foundation of the body and essence, and their deficiency can affect the brain's function, leading to more problems, dizziness, and tinnitus.
Okay. Actually, in the clinic, so when you talk about brain issues, no, we treat it from the heart and kidney. Okay, tama kayo, the kidney, pero
Yes po.
um, isabay mo yung heart, no? Heart and kidney. So, every time meron kayong mga pasyente, malay nyo may mga tumor, you have to nourish the heart and kidney. What are the two main functions of the brain?
The two main parts of the brain is the
Function.
control center and then informative. Tama ba, Doc?
Functions po.
Ito yung ano ko, Doc, na-search ko.
Sabi,
Controls. Receiving information and the service and process, it's then send out signals to the muscle and organ directing their action.
Okay.
Control, control center, Dok, ang term niya eh.
Mm. Yung
Control.
intelligence, kinokontrol niya. Siyempre, alam naman natin, di ba, usually pag may utak, intelligente daw. And it controls the sight, hearing, and smell. How does the brain control the intelligence?
The prefrontal cortex, this is the area crucial for the planning decision making, working, and complex problem solving. And the other one is the hippocampus. Tama ba to, Doc? This structure play a key role in memorize information and retrieve for learning, apply past experience to new situation, and then cerebellum, while primarily known for the coordinating movements of the cerebellum,
Okay.
which contribute to cognitive function.
Mm-mm. So, ganito lang po, no? We actually relate this to the function of the heart in housing the mind. So, kasama na dito yung memory, cognition, perception, reasoning, thinking, and consciousness. That's why for yung mayroong heart-yin deficiency, heart blood deficiency, walang residence ang mind so that you will have an issue with the brain, with their intelligence. So ang tawag sa brain is the house of intelligence. So again, it has something to do with the housing of the mind by the heart, no? Because the heart is considered the the residence of the mind or the Shen. Number 8. So how does the brain control sight, hearing, smell, and taste?
It interprets and processes information received from our sensory organs.
Okay. This is related to the sea of marrow or the brain, no? So clinically, tinitreat natin yung sensory dysfunctions from the corresponding organs. For example, alam natin yung hearing. Aayusin natin yung ear, syempre, di ba? Yung smell, yung olfactory, ganyan. What organ is the marrow associated with? Remember, the marrow forms, it fills the brain, no? Kaya ang tawag sa brain is the sea of marrow. Okay? And alam naman natin lahat ng ito nagdi-depend sa kidney essence. Okay. So ang tanong dito, what organ is the marrow associated with?
Marrow is associated with the kidney.
Very good. Wow. What does the marrow fill up? Ano yung
Uh,
hmm,
Medullary cavities of bones. So,
yes, what else?
uh,
Finifill up din ng marrow ang brain, ang spinal column, no? Yun.
yes po. And
Bones.
then, mhm.
Sige
Then
po.
in that area, mayroong two types of marrow, Doc. We have the red marrow and the yellow marrow.
Okay. What are the three main functions of the marrow?
Ang ginagawa illegal dito. Dito na.
Ay, ano yun? Ba yun? Illegal? Nakatakot.
Doc, function ng bone marrow, number one is blood cell production,
Okay.
fat storage, immune system support. Tama
Mm,
po ba?
First, alam na natin kanina to fill the bone, no? Kaya meron tayong bone marrow, di ba? Meron din tayong brain marrow.
Tama.
Number two, to nourish the brain through the kidney essence. No? I don't know if you've heard about it. When you were in China, that was several, mga before 2000. Ano? Ano na pala? Mga 2008, 2010. Merong specialty sa restaurant, utak ng ng monkey. Para pang
Ay, oo, meron yan, Dok.
nakakadiri namang kainin. Kasi daw yun daw nagbibigay ng, ito na pala yun. Parang
Opo. Kasi, Dok, may isang restaurant talaga, nakaano sila sa mga, ano yun, mga exotic. Meron.
oo, ay Diyos ko.
Nung magpunta rin kami noon,
Hindi ko
merong
talaga
nakaano.
hindi ko talaga maano. Una-una naaawa ako sa just
Oo.
anyway. Parang
Nakakalakas daw ng katawan daw yun, Dok.
oo nga
Pero, Dok,
nakakapagpakain.
nung nakita namin yung restaurant na yun, Dok, maraming kumakain.
Oo nga, gusto niya kasi para daw gumanda yung ese.
Oo.
Dok, yung Pitos, Dok. Pitos, yung bata, kinakain sa China para gumanda rin yung essence din po.
Di ba kinain mo na rin yun? Oo. Pero parang grabe naman. Oo, kasi doon sa China, ay, mamaya na, baka manood yung mga taga-China, no comment na lang. To generate the blood, yeah, you were correct, to generate blood through the kidney essence. So again, to fill the bones, to nourish the brain, to generate blood. What is the bones referred to as?
Sagot ko dyan, Dok, ano, ah, bukod sa House of Marrow, meron din siya mga long bone, short bone, tsaka flat bones.
Okay, in general na lang po, the house of marrow. What
Okay.
governs
Okay.
the bones?
Mhm. The bones or body are governed by complex interplay and sensor system and factors like skeletal system,
Hmm.
muscular system, nerve system, endocrine system, and nutrition. Same with physical activity and genetics.
Okay, anong organ nag-govern sa bones?
Yung complex, yung ano to? O sagot ko
Any
dyan
of
yung complex.
the kidney, di ba?
Kidney.
Kidney, automatic yan, kidney. What are the two main functions of the bones?
First, it support act as a scaffold for the body, giving it snap and structure. And the other one is protection as a shield for the vital organ.
Okay, to house the marrow. Yeah. In the clinic, how are bone disorders treated? Example, na may ni-refer sa inyo, may bone problem. Paano tinitreat sa clinic?
Kaya kayo pinadala rito eh.
Hmm. Sa ano lang to?
May nagsasabon.
Sa akin, Dok, acupuncture.
Hindi. Paano? At lahat naman to acupuncture. Anong inaayos na?
First, doc, is yung non-surgical treatment. Yung
Bone
bang,
pa with the kidneys.
Kidney rin. You treat
Kidney.
kidney.
Pa rin.
So, inuulit-ulit lang na. What are the vessels known as?
napupunta ako sa medical tuloy. Okay. Kasan ako, Doc? Saan na tayo?
What are the
16.
vessels?
What are the uh, uh, what are the vessels known as?
Herbal medicine.
Ding Ludok. Tama ba to?
Ano po?
Nasa ba tayo? 16. Container for blood. Container for blood.
Yes, container for blood. What two organs govern the vessels?
Heart and liver.
No.
Heart
Yung
and blood.
Heart
and lungs.
Heart and lungs.
Heart and
Ay,
lungs.
liver.
What is the main function of the vessels?
To regulate and harmonize the flow of qi. Tama ba, Doc?
House the blood.
To house the
House
blood, transport
the
the blood. Okay. Transport yung blood, di ba? Daanan naman ng dugo yan and other vital substances. Alam nyo naman siguro yung vital substances.
Ako.
Where is the uterus located?
It's located in the abdomen, Doc,
Which
specifically
part?
in the pelvic.
The lower abdomen. Yeah, pelvic.
Opo, the lower abdomen.
Okay. What is the uterus called in Chinese medicine?
Ay, Chinese ba yan, Dok?
Opo.
Mali.
Ano pala
Mali
yung
sagot
sagot
ko.
nyo?
Nalagay ko yung sigong, Dok, tsaka baogong ba yun ba yun?
Yun na yung sagot.
Tama pala.
Chingkong.
Tama pala.
Chingkong.
Bombaw.
The
Okay.
Essence Palace.
Akala ko mali ako.
Yes. Maraming salamat,
Okay.
Ma'am Susan.
Thank you po. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay. Sir Mark naman. Pagkatapos ni Sir Mark, 41 to 60, si Ma'am Trix.
Wait lang
Okay.
po, Doc.
And
Thank
from 41 to 80 would be Madam N, Madam Mercy. Okay, Sir Mark, 21. What is the main function of the uterus?
The main function. Saan na ba ako?
Opo.
21. The function of the uterus is about reproduction function, energetic function, nutritive function, emotional and spiritual functions. Yun po, Doc.
Okay. Menstruation, conception, pregnancy. What does the tianqi, a reproductive substance in the kidney, do? So meron ang kidney reproductive substance. Ang tawag doon, tianqi. Ano po ang
Heavenly essence. Tiangko or heavenly essence.
piniprepare niya yung uterus for menstruation and pregnancy. No? Okay. Yan yung tiyan. Promotes the development of uterus to produce menstruation and prepare for pregnancy. Where does the chong or penetrating vessel and the ren or conception come from?
Common origin ng kidney essence jing, lower glutean, energy center below the navel storing reproductive energy. Specific origin.
Saan nanggaling yung dalawang extraordinary vessels na to, which are the conception or the ren and the penetrating or chung? Saan? Anong organ?
Kidney, Doc.
No. Nanggaling siya sa uterus. Kaya may kinalaman talaga sa uterus. Gusto mong ayusin mo talaga yung conception, pati yung penetrating, no? The blood filled up in them to produce menstruation and help pregnancy. Okay? So, pag may kinalaman sa pregnancy, sa menstruation, you should always stop the penetrating and the conception. What other organs are involved in the blood?
Blood-related organ, heart governs blood circulations, liver organs stored blood, regulates influence emotions, spleen produce blood cells, regulates blood quality and govern digestive, kidney shed influence blood essence, reproductive and hormonal balance.
Very good. Okay. Nakikita nyo naman po o no? This is the outermost layer of the cerebrum, responsible for complex perceptual, behavioral, and cognitive processes. Anong tawag dito?
Cerebral cortex, Doc.
Very good. Sensory, okay, ano tawag dito? Involved in sensory perception and regulation of motor functions.
Sa sensory perceptions, yung halimbawa the visually liver meridian, cycle engine, auditory kidney meridian, hearing and gallbladder meridians, sound processing, olfactory lungs meridian, smell, liver meridians, olfactory process, gustatory spleen meridians, taste, and stomach meridian, digestive po.
Anong tawag dito sa ano na to, part ng brain?
Olfactory po ba yun, Doc?
Hindi.
Ano ba yun?
Hindi.
So ito
Olfactory sa ilong yun.
Ano nakalimutan ko letters?
Thalamus.
Corpus.
Thalamus. The answer is thalamus. Okay? Thalamus is sensory and motor. Okay? Yeah. Okay. What connects the cerebral hemispheres? Di ba meron tayong right and left?
Ano
And
mangyayari?
it consists of axons called which are white matter. Anong tawag dito?
Sagot ko, Doc, is a corpus callosum.
Corpus callosum. Yes.
Callosum.
Binigay.
Number 28. Okay, identify mo to.
Bakit ko nga? Ano, hindi ko pa yung binigay.
Yan. The brain structure that acts as a control center for recognition and analysis of hunger, thirst, fatigue, anger, and body temperature. Anong tawag dito? Gusto ko ito ang thalamus. Anong tawag dito?
Pons po ba yan, Doc?
Sa baba ng thalamus.
Pons ba yan, Doc?
Hindi.
Sounds
Mm.
like
Hypothalamus.
Thalamus. Iba yung sagot ko dito.
Okay, ito. What do you call this? This is the center of emotion, memory, and autonomic nervous system. Center
HD
of
yan.
emotion,
Ang
memory.
dala po ba, Doc?
Ah?
Ang dala?
Hindi.
Hindi. Starts with a letter A.
Letter H din.
Letter H. Hypothalamus.
Hindi.
Yeah.
Hindi na lang yung
Hindi.
hypothalamus. May kinalaman ba sa emotion ng hypothalamus? Sa gutom lang.
Sagutom.
May kinalaman.
11
May kalalaman sa
letters.
hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus.
Ano?
Saan na ba? Letter H.
May kinalaman
Hippocampus.
kay hippopotamus.
Hippocampus.
Hippocampus.
Emotion.
Hippocampus.
So, alagaan mo yung hippocampus mo.
Hippocampus, Doc.
Center po ng emotion yan. Ng memory and the A and S.
Hippocampus.
Alam nyo, which makes sense because the ear is part of the kidney. And the kidney controls them. Parang masyadong piyesta yata dyan sa inyo. Sa inyo ba yan?
Kawawa naman ako.
Doc, wait lang ha. Number 13 tayo, Doc, no?
Oo. Okay, ito very easy. What do you call this? Ito ay maliit. Under the influence of the hypothalamus, regulates growth, controls other endocrine glands. What do you call this?
Pituitary gland, Doc. The
Very
master
good.
gland.
Yeah. So review na. Okay, what do you call the region between the hindbrain and the forebrain? This is important for hearing and sight.
Midbrain.
Very good. A brain structure that relays information from the cerebellum to the rest of the brain.
Is the cerebellothalamic pathway which includes the thalamus.
It's the pons.
Pons.
The base of the brain stem, which controls heartbeat and breathing. Actually, nakakatakot kung mag-needle ka sa DO16, tapos pataas, pwede mong, or malalim, no? Diba? Remember DO16? GB20?
Apo.
So pag tinuloy-tuloy mo yan, pwede mo siyang hindi ka naman siguro
Mamatay.
gagamit ng mahaba. Hindi ka natitigil. Titigil ka na sa kahihinga, into na yung heartbeat mo. Hindi ka naman siguro
Diba yan yung medulla,
Ano
medulla
tawag
oblongata,
dito?
sir?
Ha?
Medulla oblongata.
Hindi, medulla oblongata.
Medulla oblongata.
Parang makakain naman. Okay, this is the oldest part and the central core of the brain. Beginning where the spinal cord swells as it enters the skull, responsible for automatic survival functions. What do you call this?
Any hill can take it. Ang nakita kami, O ano ninyo?
Survival factor. Sa akin, sir, Doc, describing brainstem.
Yes, correct. Oh, di ba inaral mo talaga? Okay. What do you, okay. Ginagawa natin itong basis para sa back, no? Nerves that run up and down the length of the back transmit most messages between the body and the brain. Kaya, di ba, binabaksyo talaga natin. Minsan yung Wato Jachi. Okay? Ano tawag dito?
Spinal cord.
Spinal
Spinal cord
cord.
to CMAC. Yes po.
Okay. A large structure of the hindbrain, ito, that controls fine motor skills. What do you call this area?
Pag motor sleep pinag-uusapan, yung factions, yung cerebellum, Doc.
Very good. Ang galing. Okay, anong tawag dito? What do you call this lobe, which is the front of the brain?
Sa akin po, in front of the brain associated with the sea of white bahay, upper sea of marrow. Is like to clear thinking and consciousness and emotional regulations. Spirit Shen, the front brain, said to the non of Shen, which represents mental and spiritual well-being. Yun po sagot ko, Dok eh.
Ang haba naman. Anong tawag sa lobe na to?
Hamstring.
Frontal.
Front
Start
lobe.
with frontal lobe. Yun.
Tatlo.
Okay. Ito naman, behind the frontal lobe. What do you call this?
Temporal lobe.
Okay.
Hindi yun.
Bro.
Ito yung temporal. Ano tawag dito?
Upper jaw.
Hindi. Parietal
Hindi.
lobe. Bakit nabunting yung upper jaw?
Sagot ko,
Parietal
Upper
lobe.
jaw.
Parietal
Hanggang
lobe.
dibdib lang yon. Upper jaw.
Bakit
Parietal lobe.
nabunting upper jaw? Lord God.
Hindi abot yun sa brain.
Okay. Okay. Located at the back
Tawagin.
of the brain.
Sa akin, Dok, sagot ko rito si Maro eh.
Hindi, oh. Anong tawag dito? Kung ito si frontal lobe, ito si parietal lobe, ano namang lobe ito?
Kasi pag nagkakatuwa, no?
Parietal, frontal.
Base of the skull, alam mo yan.
Ano ba?
Nakalimutan na.
Kalimutan ko.
Starts with
Sa utak
letter
ko.
O.
Kalimutan na niya.
Oblagata?
Di, bakit bumalik na sa tula?
Ano, sir na.
Ano
Occipital?
Occipital lobe.
Nabablanko ko, occipital lobe.
Okay. Nasa sides ng brain. What do you call this?
Temporal regions.
Yan.
Temporal lobe. Ano tawag dito?
Occipital.
Hindi ito. Tingnan mo yung arrow. Yung
Ano?
ano? Yung
Temporal regions ako, Dok eh.
ito ang temporal. Ano to?
Dito yung frontal.
Sabi mo fine motor
Sulco, sir.
Ha? Yes, sir.
Back.
Walter. Sir Walter.
Yung line po, sulcus ba?
Hindi. Itong structure
Bago.
mo. Kanina lang yan eh. Biglang nakalimutan.
Cerebel.
Ha?
Cerebrero.
Yes.
Cerebel.
Okay.
Cerebro.
Pas-pas. Pag hindi magbabayad ka ng 10,000. Okay, ito. Ano to? Anong lobe to?
Yung number na po.
Bakit parang wala ka sa
Frontal.
Hindi.
frontal
Hindi.
lobe? Okay.
Frontal lobe.
Okay, thank you so much. Mukhang parang affected yung brain mo today.
Kasi Dok, may pasyente ako dito.
Okay. Sige, maraming salamat and good job.
Temporal
Kahit
yung
magulo.
frontal yung sa 41.
Yeah.
Sa labas.
Don't forget that. What do you call this? Do you see the...
Hindi kasi makikita yung marker, Doc, yung pointer
Bakit
mo.
hindi kita?
Or delay minsan pag
Marker mo.
nag-ano ka, nag-point ka, iba na naman, iba
Ah,
pala yung ano.
With signal, oo. Sige, di ba? Sige na, bago
Yung
mo
color na lang.
color na lang. Ito, ano ba tawag ng color na yan? Medyo, ay, hiyaan mo na. Okay, let's go to Mom Tricks. Okay. What lobe is responsible for reasoning, planning, parts of speech, emotions, problem solving, and movement?
Frontal lobe.
Very good. Perception of stimuli, touch, pressure, temperature, and pain.
Parietal lobe.
Yeah, parietal lobe.
Parietal.
Visual information,
Occipital lobe.
perception and recognition of speech, hearing, memory.
Temporal
Yeah.
lobe.
Consists of brain and spinal cord.
Central nervous system.
Okay. Brain pathology. Paano mo malalaman na mayroong kaya diretso ka agad mag-CT scan pag walang nakita. So what are the pathology that you have to look for? Ang yung mga symptoms or symptomatology. Like,
Depression.
yeah, depression.
Dizziness.
So pag depression, there is liver qi stagnation. So ang tanong ko, bakit may kinalaman sa brain ito? Ang pinag-uusapan, liver qi stagnation pag depression. Bakit affected si brain? Kasi magkakontsaba sila ni kidney, right? Liver and
Diba si liver, siya yung nag-store ng blood, tsaka siya yung nag-ano ng encouragements para sa
So, para mag-pump yung heart.
Oo.
No. Yeah, may kinalaman siya sa heart. Pero ang tanong lang kasi dito, yeah, sa brain kasi heart and kidney. Pero, okay, liver qi stagnation pag depression, no? So bakit naapektuhan yung utak?
Hindi nagsa-circulate yung blood.
Okay. What about unconsciousness? Nawalan ng malay yung pasyente.
Nawalan ng oxygen.
Yeah, because of the phlegm. Phlegm misting the heart, no? Or phlegm confusing the heart. Vertigo and dizziness. Ano ang cause niyan?
Kidneys.
Of course. The brain. Deficiency of the brain. Ibig sabihin, kulang sa circulation. Diba? What about insomnia? Okay. What does it have to do with the brain?
Imbalance between heart and kidneys.
Okay. Very good. Yun lang po. So these are the 4 things that you have to really, really extract, no? Like if the patient came to you because of vertigo and dizziness, baka may deficiency sa brain. So you need to do something about circulation. Ngayon, kung may mga history naman siya na nawawalan siya ng malay, baka maraming phlegm na naapektuhan si heart. Okay? So syempre, pag affected si heart, walang nourishment ang brain, di ba? Hindi nagpa-pump eh. Depression because nag-i-stagnate ang liver qi. Siyempre, pag nag-stagnate yung liver qi, walang blood flow. And also, pag mahina yung kidney din. Siyempre, di ba, nag-nourish ni liver blood yung kidney yin. Insomnia because may imbalance sa heart and kidney. Ganun lang po. Sa totoo lang, if you treat the heart, treat the kidney, ang ganda ng effect. Okay.
For the brain.
What do you call this? This is controlled and produced by the kidneys. Okay. It includes the brain marrow and the bone marrow. It nourishes the brain and spinal cord with essence or jing. Okay,
Marrow.
the marrow. Very good.
Marrow.
Can you tell us about the kidney essence and the bones? Gaano, like, what happens kung kulang ang kidney essence? How does it affect the bones?
The bones is the palace of the marrow where it originates from kidney essence.
Okay.
But the post-7 forms that's why they are related.
Okay. Kaya as much as possible, wag nating sayangin ang essence, no? And some people think na, ay, matanda na kasi. But there are some, hindi pa matanda. Meron ng ano, may mga
Kidney
osteoporosis,
problem.
kulang na ng nourishment in bones because they have depleted a lot of their essence already. Diba?
Energy.
So when you are so kidney deficient, obviously, manghihiram siya ng ano, ng magwi-withdraw ka ng kidney essence mo, ng jing mo, 'di ba? So when you lose a lot of jing, kulang na yung pang-nourish ng marrow. So yung bones mo ngayon no
Magbe-brittle.
magbe-brittle. Okay. So
Osteoporosis.
yeah, so ibig sabihin it's not just a matter of drinking milk. In fact, hindi mo na-address talaga yung cause, wala rin. Kaya importante talaga, you need to nourish your gene. You have to improve the lifestyle ng pasyente. Okay. Marrow as an extraordinary food refers to what?
As the matrix of bone marrow and which fills the brain and spinal cord.
Okay, the bones, the brain, and the spinal cord. Okay, where is the marrow derived from?
Kidney essence.
Very good. Kita niyo mga question paulit-ulit hanggang sa mabingi kayo, di ba? What are the functions of the marrow? Oh, repeat na naman to. There are three.
Fills the bones, contributes to making blood. It nourishes the brain and fills the spinal cord.
Very good. What are the functions of the uterus? This was already asked earlier.
Regulates menstruation, houses the fetus during pregnancy.
Okay.
And
so, as a yin, kasi extraordinary po siya, di ba? Like a yin organ, nag-store siya ng blood and fetus when pregnant, no? So, nag-store. So, like a young organ, nag-discharge siya ng blood pag nagme-mens. And it also discharges the baby at childbirth. So, it regulates menstruation. Very good. So, yin and yang organ din siya. What are the most important aspects of menstruation? Or you have to mention what are the two primary organs involved in menstruation?
It supplies the blood to promote ovulation to prepare a woman to conceive. The Tiangui arrives, the directing vessel is open and penetrating vessel is flourishing and she can conceive.
So kidney and liver pa rin, no? Kidney and liver. Kidney for Tiangqi, liver for Qi and blood. Okay, can you tell us the relationship between uterus and spleen? May kinalaman ba?
Spleen plays the secondary role in supplementing blood as it is the one that makes blood that is supplied to the uterus.
Okay. So, it actually keeps the blood and the fetus in place, no? And it is the source of blood. So, yun ang role ng spleen sa uterus. Okay? So, yung mga babae na medyo hindi nourished ang or madaling mahulog yung bata, hindi mag-attach sa ano. So may kinalaman dyan yung spleen. Kailangan kasi niya mag-ascend, no? So can you imagine kung mahina ang spleen, madaling maapektuhan yung baby. Okay, tell us about this extraordinary vessel, the Chongmai.
Mayor, the penetrating vessel is the one that moves blood going to the uterus.
Okay, it's actually the connection of the uterus to the stomach. This is the reason why women during the first trimester, yung minsan matagal talaga yung ano nila, no? Yung kanilang yung
Paglilihi.
hypergravidarum o paglilihi, matagal tsaka malala. So, yan yung mga babaeng mahina talaga ang stomach dahil mahina rin ang penetrating vessel. And we all know that the penetrating or the chongmai, it originates from the uterus. So it's actually the stomach and the uterus connection. Okay. Okay, what about the gallbladder function as an extraordinary food?
It stores bile, which is a pure fluid.
Okay. What are the functions of the blood vessel?
They house the blood and are the vehicle for the circulation of qi and blood. They transport the refined food essences, qi and blood, all over the body.
Very good. Yeah. Menstrual blood or okay, ito yung Chinese term for menstrual blood. Kung sa lalaki naman, semen. Nag-originate from the gene. What do you call this?
Red field in male.
Okay, yan
I
yung
know. Sorry, wait.
Tiangui.
Tiangui in female and red field in
Yun lang din.
Tiangui na lang din. Main for men. So it's actually the semen. No? 59. This is the term for qi channel and blood vessel, where the qi and blood flow.
Directing vessel and penetrating vessel.
It's actually the mai. Kaya Dumai, Renmai, no? Daimai. So yun yung
because mai is vessel. Okay.
yes. And last one, this is produced by qi that generates bone marrow.
Marrow.
Very good. Congratulations, Mom Trick. Very good. Very good.
Thank you.
Salamat. Now, 61 to 80 from Mercy. Okay. Sorry talaga. This actually refers to the pulse. The pulse, okay, punta na tayo sa pulse diagnosis konti, no? Para meron
Okay
tayo. This is felt on the left to reflect the state of blood. So ano ang pulse na to? Very wrong question. Sorry po.
Yin pulse.
I'm sorry?
Yin pulse.
Specifically what? Is it the heart pulse, liver pulse, or the kidney?
Yung kanyang yung heart, liver and kidney.
The heart pulse. Okay.
Yin.
Like the state of blood, you have to feel the heart pulse. Okay? And then, yung kabila sa right, this will reflect the state of qi. So yung heart pulse is blood, ano naman yung state ng qi sa kabila, sa right? Opposite lang po ng heart pulse.
Lung?
Yes, the lung pulse. Please remember this, no? Pag mabilis po ang lung pulse, saka medyo kasi normally, ang lung pulse should be soft. But there are some people, pag excess, lalo na magsobra yung yang, kung papansin nyo, malakas yung lung pulse kaysa sa, katulad ko, oh my God. Mas grabe yung yang kaysa sa blood. So, kailangan natin i-balance yan po, no? Are we good? Yeah. Number 63. This extraordinary vessel supplies the uterus with blood. Supply dependent on the liver blood for healthy menstruation. What do you call this?
It's the penetrating vessel
Or the Chiang Mai. Very good. So, ang nagsusupply ng blood sa uterus is the Chiang Mai. So, sa Chiang Mai kasi, we will also learn this when we get to the channels. You need to, ano ba to? Are you still with me? O nawawala na naman?
Yes.
Okay.
Hindi, nandito.
So may kinalaman dyan ang, wait lang, napatayin ko lang to ano. May kinalaman po dyan ang Chiang Mai, no? So, yung mga babaeng may um, problema sa menstruation. So, nagdi-depend po sa liver blood for healthy menstruation. So, obviously, if you have an issue with your liver, mayroon kang liver blood deficiency, magkakaproblema ka talaga sa mens mo. So, ayusin mo yung Chiang Mai. Okay, what are the extraordinary po
May
organ?
tanong ako.
Sige po.
Sagutin ko muna, gallbladder.
Okay. Hello?
Mali yata, Hello?
Yes.
Hello po.
Mm-mm.
Ang dami. Brain, the uterus, the bone marrow, the gallbladder,
Explain
and
ko
the
na
blood
lang.
vessels.
Ito yung anim, di ba? Anim yung extraordinary foo. So, pag ang brain pinag-uusapan, yung kidneys ang ating, we always look at the kidneys. Pag uterus naman, kidney and liver, no? And Chiang Mai. Pero meridian yung Chiang Mai eh. Ang bone, kidneys. Ang bone marrow, kidneys din. Gallbladder, still gallbladder. Ang blood vessels, ang heart. Okay?
Yun.
Okay, what
po.
is the gallbladder function? Hello?
Hello po.
Yeah. What is the function of the gallbladder? Again.
It
And
only stores bile. Yang aspect of, ayun.
okay.
It stores and excretes bile.
Okay.
Yan.
The reason why tinatawag siya na extraordinary organ kasi hindi lang siya nag-i-store, ini-excrete niya yung bile, no? Another is it controls decisiveness, no? So kung hindi ka masyadong makapag-decide, may problema yung ating gallbladder. And you have to nourish your gallbladder. You have to tonify your gallbladder 40. It also controls our sinews. Okay? It commands the ministerial fire. Alam niyo naman yung ministerial fire, no? Yun yung nagpapainit ng ating essence para yung kidney chi mo mag-transform into yang, remember? And the gallbladder is the mansion of central essence, no? Kasi dito mo na tinatago yung bile para tumulong sa pagtunaw, no? Yung okay. And the 11th zang will depend on the gallbladder. So grabe ang impact ng gallbladder. Can you tell us about the decisiveness function of the gallbladder? Can you tell us more about it?
Well, the gallbladder is called prayer judge, who is said to be impartial and unbiased. Siya yung tumutulong sa heart, sa shen, para makapag-isip ng tama.
Okay. So this is the driving force, no? Yung bang magbabago na yung buhay mo, no? So ibig sabihin, nagmo-move on ka na kasi na-fed up ka na sa buhay mo before. So pag hindi ka nakaka-move on, you get stuck in the rut, they call it, no? You are very timid. So you need to use gallbladder 40. You can use the ear point and you try it, no, it really, of course, hindi siya kaagad-agad, no? It has to be done on regular basis. Okay? So for those people who have trouble or literally moving forward, okay? Trouble, at saka yung nahirapan lumakad, try nyo po ang GB40. So nakikita nyo, hindi maka-move on. Parang even the mental, emotional aspect and the physical aspect, yung paglalakad, may kinalaman. Who are people who are trapped in the same cycle. Okay?
Mm.
So pag meron tayong, hindi tayo makapag-decide kung tatakbo ba tayo o hindi. So meron po tayong imbalance ng chi. Mahina yung gallbladder natin. So yung mga hindi makag-decide, gallbladder 40 po. Okay. Ma'am Mercy, what is the connection ng gallbladder and the heart?
Yes, gallbladder provides courage for the shin, which is governed by the heart,
Mhm.
mind, tonify the gallbladder to support the heart.
Okay. Yung gallbladder kasi parang secret spy. Parang ito yung nagsasabi sa iyo, ito yung parang konsensya mo, no? Yung nasa likod ng ulo.
Ah,
Yeah. Um, ano ba to? So kung merong kung may problema yung gallbladder mo, meron kang doubt, nagdududa ka. Okay? Hindi mo kasi alam kung ano yung right or wrong.
may
Yeah,
pagdududa sa sarili.
hindi ito about intuition, no? Hindi mo alam. May duda
Iba,
ka lang. Oo. Saka parang yung konsensya mo, no? So, ito yung nag-inform sa heart with clarity. So, ibig sabihin, you were right kanina. If there's a problem with the gallbladder, definitely it will affect the heart. Because the heart is the emperor eh. Siya yung parang whisperer. No? Siyempre, kung may inutil yung gallbladder, hindi niya alam anong gagawin, hindi siya naging secret, naging spy, no? Yun. So, tonify mo yung gallbladder fort. O, diba? Number 68. Ano naman yung mga symptoms ng gallbladder pathology?
hypochondrial fullness, feeling of heaviness, and unilateral sticky coating are enough to diagnose dampness in the gallbladder. Person lacks courage and finds it difficult to take decisions, irritability, bitter taste, thirst, headache, timidity, digestive problem, hypochondrial pain, and tendency to obesity.
Okay, so ito yung reason bakit yung iba nagkakaroon ng metabolic syndrome, no? Nakaka-contribute talaga. So, pag masyado syempre, nag-excess yan. So, this tends towards excess and stagnation. However, pag may psychological, may mental disorder, ito yung mga kulang yung lakas ng loob. So, but most of the time, sa physical, it's almost always an excess or a stagnation, no? Katulad ng liver. Do you know what is dumped heat? Ito na yung gallstones, no? Yeah, gallstones po yan. So, as long as hindi pa siya malalaki, kaya wag na nating, um, alam nyo, this is really a challenge on how to be able to, kasi kung meron ka namang mga digestive problems, hypochondriac pain, wag yan dapat balewalain, no? Kung nagdududa, di magpa-ultrasound. Pero ang problema lang kasi, pag lumaki na po masyado yung stone, saka lang nalalaman. Kasi binabalewala eh. So kung maliit pa, we can actually, I think you asked me about, can we
Yes.
manage
Yes,
gallstone?
Doc.
Yes. And so we can, as long as ma-address mo yung stagnation niya, yung excess. Kasi as long as meron kang stagnation, hindi talaga maalis yung stone, right? So you need to do a lot of sedation. So sino ba yung nagko-control kay kailangan talaga pahinain si gallbladder. So ang maghihina dito, okay, sino ba? Sino ba ang so it should be the large intestine.
Mother. The
It should be the large intestine, remember? Yeah. Kasi yung
Yes, Doc.
lungs, kinokontrol niya po si liver. But dito ngayon, si gallbladder na eh. So ang aatupagin natin will be the large intestine. So detoxification is very, very important.
Pero,
Ito tonify mo siya. Kailangan siyang gumalaw. Kailangan magkaroon ng chi yung large intestine. Kailangan siya mag-move, no? And that's something that can help the patient. Now you understand.
yes, Doc.
Yes, Doc.
And then at the same time, tingnan niyo po, tuloy natin, sino ba yung anak ni gallbladder?
Nag-enjoy tumulong.
Sino yung anak ni gallbladder? Naku, nawala. Sinong anak ni liver?
Hindi po, andito po ako. Anak ni liver, si heart.
So, sinong anak ni gallbladder?
Si small intestine.
Yes. So, kailangan mong bawasan yung heat ni small intestine. Isisedate mo yun. Di ba?
Kaya pala, pawisin siya.
Hindi lang yan. May problema din sa pag-iit yan. Burning urination. No? Any other question, Ma'am Mercy? Are you enjoying this so far?
Yes. Yung question ko mamaya, hindi pa related eh.
O sige, tapusin natin. Ang gallbladder diet. So, nakakatulong ba ang dieting dito?
Opo. An excessive consumption of greasy and fatty foods and dairy foods lead to the formation of dampness, which can lodge in the gallbladder.
Yes. Yes. Now you know. Emotions ng gallbladder.
Yung what affects the gallbladder are like the anger, the frustration, and bottled up resentments can cause stagnation of liver chi, which in turn produce heat, which affects the gallbladder.
So, pwede nating sabihin, kasi diba, liver din yung gallbladder, diba? So, parang lumakas lang na liver. So, may kinalaman dito yung emotions. Bottled up resentment, nag-ano ka, parang nangihinayang, yung pang ganon na feeling, no? So, you need to really do something, relieve the stagnation, the excess. Okay?
Kaya Mark, wag mo nang hihinayang ha.
Kaya yung mga dampness nang lumalabas.
Kaya nga ako ngayon, kahit ako, bawal na ako sa sa cholesterol tsaka sa mga chocolate.
Oo. Ako hindi kumakain ng chocolate.
Wala ka ng gout.
Wala na, magaling na ako.
Wow, congrats.
Pinakupuncture ko yung sarili ko.
I love it. Congrats.
Okay,
Dok, tanong ko lang, yung mga nabubulol, yung pagsasalita, tapos agitated siya, di ba may kinalaman ng gallbladder din dyan, no? Sa speech.
Di ba heart?
Hindi. Sa lungs yun.
Or heart?
Sa heart. Sa upper
May
jaw.
may gout ka na, damp heat na yun.
Mm-hmm.
Na namumula na, pinakita mo pa nga eh. May
yes, Doc.
Diba? Okay, let's talk about the external pathology ng gallbladder. Ano yung effect ng gallbladder?
Ayun. Yung exterior dampness can invade gallbladder, leading to the pattern of dampness in the gallbladder. And in hot and humid countries, dampness and heat can cause damp heat in the gallbladder.
Very good. Yeah, like Philippines.
Damp na damp.
Tapos, lalong lumalala ang dampness kasi we tend to drink cold water, right? Sweet.
Opo, humid na yun. Sweet.
Yes. Okay. Paano mo malaman na meron ng pathology ang gallbladder? Like, what are the symptoms that you will expect or signs?
Pathology. Ayun, meron siyang jaundice,
Hmm.
may nausea, vomiting, exacerbated by fats,
Pag
cloudy
kumakain ka
urine,
ng mga
lack of
fatty food, lumalala.
Mhm.
Pero kain
Lumalala
pa
siya.
rin. Pero kain pa rin. Oh, cloudy
Kahit
urine. Bakit naging cloudy yung urine? Because of dampness.
the
Um,
fats.
ano yun? Dahil sa small intestine, right? Small
Right.
intestine, grabe yung heat. Lack of thirst because of the heat. Sticky taste, no? Dull headache, feeling of heaviness, fullness, distension, parang hangover parate. May hangover ka ba, Sir Mark? Ay, wala na. Okay. Number 73. Can you tell us what is gallbladder dump heat?
Okay. Gallbladder dump heat symptoms: hypochondrial pain, fullness and distension, nausea, vomiting, inability to digest fats, yellow complexion, scanty and dark urine, fever, thirst without desire to drink, bitter taste, dizziness, tinnitus, irritability, feeling of heaviness of the body, numbness of the limbs, swelling of the feet, loose stools, or constipation, alteration of hot and cold feeling, yellow
Okay.
sclera,
Yeah.
and feeling of heat.
Actually, alternating yan. Alternating, no?
Hmm,
Anong itsura ng tongue sa gallbladder dump heat? Remember, the gallbladder is young. So, titingnan natin yung coating, di ba?
ang coating niya ay dahil sa may heat, it's thick, sticky yellow coating,
Yes,
either
very.
bilateral or
Hmm.
into strips unilateral. Pwedeng kabilang
Usually,
side lang, pwedeng
oh,
dalawa.
kabilang side lang. Wow, ang galing talaga. Okay, ready na talaga kayo sa pattern differentiation. Number 74. Tell us more about gallbladder deficiency naman.
Sa dizziness, blurred vision, floaters, nervousness, timidity, propensity to being easily startled, lack of courage and initiative, indecision, sighing, waking up early in the morning, restless dreams.
Okay, kung may pasyente ka na maaga like my patient, 1 a.m. gising na siya, minsan 11 p.m. kasi natutulog siya 7 p.m. 8. Siyempre, pero 'di ba, pag gising ka ng 1 a.m. parang medyo hindi na siya makatulog ulit. So, kung tatanungin sila ng pasyente, ano yung point na naaral ninyo sa assessment that will help?
Oh, it's the it's
How
the
do you
gallbladder
quantify
point.
the ano po? Mention natin kanina yan. Gallbladder.
Gallbladder
Gallbladder point.
party.
Yes.
Coating.
Gallbladder part.
Yeah, gallbladder 40. Okay?
Hindi ko inano. Mas pinili ko yun sa inyo
Okay,
para
what is the uterus in TCM?
Uterus in TCM is the bowel, the structure common to both men and women. Uterus in men, the room of sperm in men. Extraordinary vessel arise from this area. One of the 6 extraordinary organ shaped like a young organ functions like a yin organ, stores blood and fetus but also release them.
Although hindi masyado nila maliwanag, sabi nila, ang counterpart ng uterus sa men is the prostate. No? So yun. How can fertility be treated?
Pero,
I'm sorry.
yeah,
Yes.
okay po. Di ba nasa testes yung sperms?
Oo, pero hindi naman doon ang outlet nun eh. Diba?
Ah,
Kailangan may mixture pa
okay.
rin ng
Okay
prostate.
po.
Ano. Pero
I see.
sa ano kasi ngayon, yung mga bagong
Opo.
libro, kung titingnan nyo, I don't know if you already have the book, the Chinese, mamaya may pag-uusapan tayo. I have good news for you. To facilitate, to expedite your,
Sige po.
saka may mga issues tayong itatakbo, no? How can fertility be treated via the uterus channel?
Sige po. Okay. The uterus is related to the kidney via bowel or the uterus channel. Kidney gene of all groups and reproduction feeds into the uterus energetics via uterus channel. Uterus related to the Baumai, connecting the Baumai can be union stress manifesting in Nawala?
Yeah, I'm
Nawala ba
still
ako?
here. Hindi. Buti na lang, tuloy-tuloy yung ating ano ngayon. Yes. Please continue. Ay,
Tapos,
wait lang, nawala talaga. Grabe.
ay, nawala pala. Ulitin ko to. Wow.
Ito ba kasi yung inano ko? Wait lang ha, alisin ko muna. Ano ba to? Buti naman. Ay, okay na.
Bakit?
Balik. Diyos ko, halata tayo mukha kung ano, parang...
Okay
Okay.
yan.
Doc She, please prepare her from 81 to 100. You're going to end tonight's ano. Ay, nawala. Doc She, are you with us? Oh, she's driving. Well, I think she can. Ay, nakapark naman yata. O sige, malapit na mag-81. But it's okay if you
Okay.
cannot, no?
Ako ng card ko kanina eh. Sige lang pag kaya kong sagutan.
Ay,
Game,
baka may
game.
mangyari pa, kami pasisihin mo. Okay.
Ay,
Yan.
Yeah. So, yan. Saan na ba tayo? Ah, yeah, okay. Yeah, I think you answered it
76.
very
Opo.
adequately, very completely. Ganito lang po yan. When you have, usually, meron talagang young deficiency of the kidney. And so you also have to consider the spleen, no? But again, you need to also dig into stress factors, anxiety. Sa totoo lang, as long, lalo na pag 10 taon na wala pa ring anak, nakakadagdag yun na magiging right? Diba? Kasi may anxiety na. So this will affect the. So if
May client akong ganyan.
Hmm.
May client akong ganyan. Nung naayos ko yun, napwesto ko yung uterus niya, sunod-sunod naman.
Wow, talagang galing. Ano ka pa noon na, yung pang, ano lang naman yan, advice lang yan.
Hindi kasi naniniwala sila dati na
Hmm.
na bumababa ang uterus, nagpo-prolapse. Hindi sila naniniwala, yung matatanda. Ang sinabi kasi ng matatanda naman na kapag in place, tamang lugar yung iyong uterus, isa kang healthy na babae.
Yes.
Kaya tama ang feeling.
Congratulations. So, ito na expertise mo.
Expert ko yan sa yung
Auriculo
pagtataas
reproductive.
ng mattress.
Let's proceed to the
Number
next.
77. Okay.
What does the
The condition of the condition of heart blood and kidney essence, this will affect in healthy menstruation, monthly cycle, and also the ease of fertility and reproduction.
Kaya nga, we should teach people how to, especially women, no, na may problema sa menstruation. They should be taught how to monitor their tongues, no? They should not be too red or elongated. They should not also be too wet and swollen, no? So yun. Very good.
Okay. Parang dito na Doc papasok yung yung tanong ko.
Ay,
Kasi
okay.
dito sa pag dito ko kasi sa mga binasa ko, parang wala akong nabasa tungkol sa dysmenorrhea.
Okay. Mhm. Sige. So, can you answer each first?
Okay po. Sa kidneys provides essence and minister fire and the origin of tiangui. Liver provides blood to the uterus. Spleen plays a secondary role of supplementing blood to the uterus. Stomach connected to the uterus via chongmai, and the heart is connected to the uterus via uterus vessels to make sure blood is sufficient to anchor heart yang. This explains the strong influence of emotional problems on menstruation. Heart yang meets kidney essence to form tiangui. Heart qi descends to promote discharge of menstrual blood and eggs, and to trigger transformation of yang to yin and vice versa in menstrual cycle. Lungs contribute the formation of qi.
Okay. Ito yung normal, ha? So, siguro what you wanted to ask, what causes dysmenorrhea?
Opo.
Dysmenorrhea is actually painful menstruation. So, pag may pain, there could be qi or blood stagnation. So, almost always, this is something to do with emotions kasi it's always the liver almost always the liver that is involved. Okay? And then lalo kang mag-worry, lalo kang mai-stress kasi nga nagdi-dysmenorrhea ka na rin. Kaya parang dumagdag ng dumagdag. Kaya there is really a need to be able to coach them with regards to, medication, yung mga and they
It
should,
pays to be stoic.
yes, yeah.
I
And
never had dysmenorrhea in my life.
yeah, because you're happy with your life. No, you're happy, you're very blessed. But for some people who want more in life, so yun.
So, Doc,
Yes.
question. Does it also apply to other, menstrual problems or reproductive dysfunctions
Yes.
like myoma and other
Myoma
like that?
naman, myoma or fibroids, as long as hindi pa siya blood stagnation, it is not really a problem. But nag-uumpisa yan as phlegm. So may lifestyle din. At saka yung babae na nag-prone magkaroon ng myoma are those women who have issues with their menstruation. Minsan, nag-skip ng isa or dalawang buwan. Yung mga may tinatawag na
polycystic.
Yeah, PCO. Yeah, polycystic ovary.
PCOS.
PCOS.
Yes.
PCOS. Mas mahirap yung polyps.
How about women?
Tanong ko nga lang, Doc.
Perimenopausal syndrome.
Perimenopausal. Pag perimenopausal, di ba nauubos na kasi nagsishrink na. So, it's, there are, ganito kasi yan. Normally, nagme-menopause naman talaga ang babae, no? May mga hot flashes. Yan yung typical signs ng yin deficiency, kidney yin deficiency. Lahat na yan, no? But there are women, because they already lacked the essence dahil sa nature ng work nila, mas grabe yung mga perimenopausal symptoms. Okay?
Sa last part, mag-tackle natin
yung cellphone ko. Yun ang
so, i-explore mo ngayon, ano ba yung trabaho niya? Baka naman CEO siya ng isang malaking company or meron siyang maraming relationships na pumalpak, di ba? Kasi you cannot have it all. So it's all about how to manage your emotions, your time management, and everything. And it's really a challenge.
Na-stress mo bilang ng pera.
Sadly, yung mga babaeng like if they were able to taste success already at a young age, ayaw na nilang bumaba yan. So the more they really try to climb the stair, the social ladder much higher.
Rather,
Yes.
they
Diba?
put pressure on themselves.
Yeah. Can you imagine meron ka isang malaking company, 'di ba? Tapos hindi pa niyan smooth
Excuse me.
sailing lahat. So, lalo na pag ang trabaho mo is more into like how do you um yung mga how to make strategies, yung mga para ma-offset mo yung mga problema. So, that uses up a lot of yin. So, sometimes wala ka ng time kumain, 'di ba? Late
No,
evening because you have to meet with your staff. Then meron pang mga
mm,
emotional issues, all these things.
mm,
Kaya pagdating nila ng menopause, ang dami, no?
mm.
Yung pag manual naman, ilang ibubuhatan.
Menopause.
Oo, yun naman yung mga
Menopause.
young deficiency naman, no? So,
Mhm.
Tagal na.
yun.
8 years old.
Oh.
Okay.
Mhm.
So let's go to menstruation and extraordinary vessels. Can you tell us more about it?
Okay po. Chong, Ren, and Dumai originate from original qi between the kidneys. They
Mm.
flow down to Ren 1 before taking different routes. The recting vessels or the Renmai provides qi, yen, and essence. Renmai flows up anterior abdomen along the midline. Penetrating vessel Chongmai moves blood to the uterus. Chongmai up the abdomen along kidney channel. Governing vessels provides yang qi to the uterus in order to promote ovulation. Dumai flows up.
Langgam na itim, ma'am, tsaka pula magkasama.
Ay, na-mute kita, Ma'am Mercy, sorry.
Ay, so hindi ko
Maingay kasi yung
napansin.
kasama nating isa. Ikaw tuloy na mute ko. O, yan na. Okay, sorry.
Na po.
Ang bilis kasi.
Ulitin ko po.
Okay. Yeah. Actually, naano mo na,
Okay.
yung chongmai na, ito kasi, this is your penetrating or chongmai. If you notice,
Mhm.
it flows along the kidney channel. Yung chongmai kasi, wala yan silang mga points. So, it makes use, nakikiraan ng channel. So,
Mm,
if you have menstrual issues, you might want to study yung mga kidney 2019, 2022, 27. 27 points ang kidney papunta dyan. Okay?
2 plus 7, 9.
Yeah. So, very good. Well said. Let's go to the last one. Tell us more about the Taimai.
Daimai. Daimai only horizontal channel in the body like a belt or a gilder. Encircles the main channels, therefore has an influence on the circulation of qi to the legs. Daimai complements Renmai. Daimai connects with the liver 13, Shangmen, and bladder 23, Shensu. Therefore, connects the postnatal with the prenatal qi, encircles all around reproductive organs.
Yes. This is the only extraordinary channel na parang belt. Ang tawag dito belt or girdle channel. No? So kung may issues ka sa circulation sa paa, no? 'Di ba yung may mga cramps, no? These are the points that you have to consider. GB27, GB28, GB26, bladder 23. Okay?
Mhm.
So nakikigamit sila ng points sa mga channel. So it connects the postnatal with the prenatal chi. Mm. So kailangan kasi yung taimay nagko-complement sa renmai. Okay? Para hindi siya bumaba.
Mhm.
Oo. Kaya dapat may belt. Di ba pag wala kang belt, nahuhulog yun.
Nahulog
Thank
ang
you so
pangkalan.
much, Ma'am Mercy. I hope we were able
Yes,
to, so sa mga menstrual issues, yung gallbladder. So anyway, ang topic natin today, which is the last one, is about extraordinary food. Okay, so now let's call on Doc She. Can you join us? Is she still around? Ay, nawala bigla. Ay, Miss She, Are you
May
driving?
signal ko, Doc.
Sige, wag na lang. Balik tayo kay,
Yeah, I'm still driving.
yeah, sorry. Who did I call first? Oh, Ma'am Susan. Or ay, si ano na lang, si Sir Walter, kasi naghanda talaga to. Yeah, the last one, Sir Walter.
Hello po. Good
Yeah,
evening po.
good
Hindi,
evening.
hindi po ako naganda kasi menopause po kasi yung topic.
Ay, hindi pwedeng ganun. Bakit? Wala ka bang pasyenteng menopause, ha? Okay. Ay, grabe yung...
Doc, may sagot ako ng 89. May sagot ko
Malayo.
89 to 100. Tawagin mo
Okay.
ako ulit.
Sige. Tingnan nyo.
Sige po.
Discuss na
Pass na
lang
lang po sa
natin.
akin.
Kasi nahihiya si ano. Oh.
Mauna pa kaming mag-menopause sa'yo. Ikaw pa.
Tingnan mo ha. We were talking about perimenopausal symptoms. The extremely important cause of menopausal symptoms is emotional stress. Siguro
Hmm.
na stress kasi iiwan na siya dahil hindi na siya bata.
Hindi
Ganun
sa
lang.
bata.
Masakit tanggapin pero wala ka choice. So para ganun lang yun eh.
Oo, kulog.
Oh. Oh.
Oh,
And
may
also
bayabas na raw kasi siya.
worry, anxiety, fear, this can weaken the kidneys. So take note, pag masyadong weak na yung kidneys natin, this will give to rise to yin deficiency patterns. Lalo na pag overwork ka, 'di ba? If you are a very successful person, 'di ba? Nasa corporate ladder ka, you are usually overworked. So mental 'yan eh. O tingnan nyo, puro ito mental. Worry, anxiety, and fear. So this will give you maaga ka na nagkaroon ng kidney yin deficiency. Physiological to eh. So this time, ang dami mo talagang problema, no? So what happens when you have kidney yin deficiency? It cannot nourish the heart yin. So basically, you affect the heart yin. So magkakaroon ka ng empty heat in the heart, no? Kaya mainit, no? Do you understand? So
Yes po.
fundamentally, a natural decline in kidney essence, which can take the form of kidney yin or yang deficiency or combination of both. So what I'm saying is, kung meron ka ng, dati ka ng stressed, mas grabe yung impact ng ito na yung tinatawag na mas grabe yung impact ng symptoms. But kung wala ka namang stress masyado or you know how to manage stress because nagpapa-acupuncture ka
Yes.
every month, twice a month. So, tapos na-educate ka on how to look at the tongue. Probably, you will grow old gracefully with, walang symptoms.
I'm getting there.
Okay.
So
Now,
kaya pala, Doc, yung ibang mga menopausal, mataas ang blood pressure because of the heat. Tama ba?
no, because of the empty heat resulting
Nagiging
from
Yeah, the empty
kidney
heat.
yin deficiency.
Empty
Diba?
heat. Deficient na. Mainit pa.
Saka tumataas
yes.
yung blood pressure nila lalo na paghapon.
Mm.
Di ba yin? So kulang sila sa yin eh.
Wala pa talaga akong sign.
Yeah.
Wala pa talaga akong sign.
Okay. Punta naman tayo, kahit kidney yang deficiency, may hot flashes din. Pero ang ano dito, mas predominant yung mga kidney yang deficiency symptoms. Cold feet,
Mm.
no? Kasi hindi naman pwedeng may kidney yang deficiency ka lang pero wala kang kidney yang deficiency. That's impossible. 'Di ba? When you say kidney yang
Opo.
deficiency, mas prominent. But meron ka pa rin ibang symptoms ng
Yeah.
yin deficiency like this one. Tingnan nyo, sweating. Pero may chilliness, may cold feet. Backache is yang deficiency. Dizziness, no? Tinnitus, depression, loose stools. So these things. And when you look at the tongue, it's wet, no? Okay? Hmm. So ang basis mo talaga dyan, yung tongue. Next. Baka gusto nang sagutin ito ni ano. O baka nahiya lang
Pwede.
si Sir. O sige, si ano na lang tanungin natin. Ma'am Susan, would you like to answer? Or would you like to continue, Ma'am Mercy? Ma'am Mercy na lang. Kasi mukhang
Sige po.
finale. Okay, tell us about the kidney yin deficiency menopausal pattern.
Dizziness, tinnitus, sore back and legs, night sweats, hot flashes and sweating, dry mouth, thirst, vague anxiety, constipation, depression, vaginal dryness. Ayun siya.
Okay, or immediately look at the tongue. It's going to be red with no coating, diba? And the pulse
Opo.
is
The pulse is
deficient,
floating. Yun.
floating, fine, rapid,
Floating.
weak at the kidney.
And weak at the kidney.
Yes. Ito naman, combination of kidney yin and yang deficiency menopausal
Ayun.
pattern. So,
Ayun.
again,
So, si mag-asawa kasi yan eh. Hot flashes but cold hands and feet, night sweating, flushed at neck when speaking, slightly agitated, chillness, dry throat, dizziness, tinnitus, backaches, and tongue is pale or red, and the pulse is floating empty, fine, rapid if yin, weak if deep if yang.
okay. Now, let's go naman. Kung may liver, these are combination patterns, no? It in reality, talagang combination karamihan ng patient, no? Mixed patterns. So, pero it makes sense naman kasi 'di ba, pag may kidney deficiency ka, affected din po si liver. Okay? May liver yin deficiency ka rin with young rising, o 'di ba? Menopausal pattern. So ito pa lang pag nakita mo na yung young rising, alam mo na what to expect eh. So ito yung usually nangyayari sa mga medyo sabihin, ay, menopause na kasi madali nang magalit, madali nang nag-aalboroto. Di ba?
Opo.
Anyway, yeah. Can you continue po?
Ayan. Yin deficiency, hindi ko alam kung ano yung SNS, stomach and spleen ba yun, no?
Signs and symptoms.
Okay. Yin deficiency signs and symptoms, irritability, insomnia, throbbing headaches, scanty dark urine, itching, blurred vision, angry outburst, dry hair, malar flush, tongue is dry, cracked and coatless, and the pulse is floating empty and wiry on the left.
Okay. Kaya parati sila nagpapa-hair, ano ba to? Mga rebond, yung mga ganun. Kahit nagkakanda, ubus na. Yung yin deficiency signs and symptoms, alam naman natin yon, di ba? Yung sa soul, sa palm, saka sa center ng chest, saka yung ano ba to? May thirst pero konti lang, sips lang yung iniinom mo. Okay? So this is also yung mga medyo nag-aalburuto na medyo maingay na, madaling magalit. Okay, what about this? Heart and kidney yin deficiency with empty heat or deficiency heat menopausal pattern.
Okay. It's yang deficiency signs and symptoms with insomnia, palpitations, dream, disturbed sleep, agitation, depression, and tiredness. And tongue is red, no coat with redder tip, dry crack midline, crack to tip, and the pulse is floating empty, fine, and rapid.
So dito nyo talaga makikita ang importance ng tongue diagnosis for you to accurately give the pattern. Diba? So for menopause, we have usually mixed patterns. So the tongue can actually make a lot of difference. Okay. What about kung meron siya accumulation of phlegm with chi stagnation? So paulit-ulit lang, di ba?
Yun. Ito, obesity, a feeling of oppression of the chest, sputum, feeling of epigastric fullness, breast distension, irritability, depression, no appetite, moodiness. Pattern appears in premature menopause in young women, possible obstruction of lower jaw. Tongue is red on the sides, denotes stagnation and sticky coating, and pulse is wiry and slippery.
Right. Okay, blood stasis or stasis of blood, menopausal pattern.
Menopause preceded by irregular menses, stopping for a long time, then restarting again. Dark clotted blood, insomnia, hypertension, abdominal pain, and the tongue is purple and the pulse is wiry or choppy.
Yeah. Usually, they will feel happy because bumalik yung mens nila. Actually, that's blood stagnation, blood stasis already. Kasi bakit hindi lumabas? Kasi nga, nag-stagnate. So, hindi lumalabas. Diba?
Hmm.
Yung iba naman tuwang-tuwa dahil, ay, bumata ulit. No, no.
Hindi.
Oo, 1 year na siyang hindi nagme-mens. Ay, nag-mens ulit. Ay, nako, tingnan mo yung tongue, purple. No? Yan.
Hmm.
Yes. And they have insomnia. They have pains. Sometimes, hindi mo talaga makakonsider, lalo na if they come to you with another problem. No? And they will not really admit na, of course, you tell them the age, pero sasabihin mo, ay, akala nila niyan, hindi pa sila menopause. Kasi nga, bumalik, no? Oo.
Ako hindi pa talaga. On
Okay.
time.
Okay, very easy na po yung next.
Gusto ko na eh.
Okay, multiple choice. The muscular layer in the wall of a blood vessel is called?
The tunica media,
Very good. Compared to arteries, veins, what is your answer here?
they have thinner walls.
Very good. Kaya
Vein.
very collapsible ang veins. Capillaries that have a complete lining are called?
Continuous capillaries.
Very good.
A.
Smallest arterial branches are called?
B. Arterioles.
No. Pre-capillary arterioles. Before
Oh,
maging arterial.
before.
Before sa capillaries, meron ng arterioles. Okay? Letter A. The layer between the tunica media and the tunica externa in a large artery is the?
B. External elastic membrane.
Okay, good. The thoroughfare channel ends at the?
Granule.
Very good. After blood leaves the capillaries, it enters the?
Granules.
Yes. Which layer of a blood vessel contains concentric sheets of smooth muscle tissue?
It's the C. Tunica media.
Yes. Again, muscle na nga di ba? The large vessels that return blood to the heart are called?
Veins.
Yes.
E.
Which of the following is the innermost layer of a blood vessel?
It's the tunica intima. A.
Yes. Okay, fill in the blanks. Venoconstriction, blank the amount of blood within the venous system, which blank the volume in the arterial and capillary systems. What is your answer?
Letter B. Reduces and decreases.
Yes. Letter B. And finally, number 100, graduate na kayo sa module 2. Venous valves are
Yay.
responsible for?
Channeling blood towards the heart. C.
Okay, congratulations, Ma'am
Yun.
Mercy. As promised, we're going to
And to
give you the pointers. I-end ko muna to. Wait.
Opo.